I started with a simple Camtasia 2025 project. With this project, I exported it to Screencast.com. After the project was uploaded to Screencast.com, and waiting a short while, I'll go to Transcript and open that up. Scroll down. The transcript of what was in the narration has been created. So what I'll do is I'll copy the entire transcript to my clipboard like this. I'll go down and grab it all. Once it's selected, Control-C puts it to my clipboard. I'm going to navigate to Notepad++ and paste that transcript there. Now, Notepad++ allows you to easily make macros to do repetitive functions. I have a macro that will get rid of the timestamp on these text strings. So I'll go macro, run a macro multiple times. The one I want is called trim transcript. I'll select that. I'm going to run it to the end of the file, so I'll select run. And as you can see, it's deleted all those lines of the formatting for the time. I close this. Now if I go up here, put my cursor at the top, this time I'm going to do a new macro, start recording. With the cursor at the beginning of the line I want, I'm going to go down one, delete key. That gets rid of the extra line. Then I'll go back up, macro, stop recording. Now, cursor's at the beginning of a line. I can go macro, run, currently recorded that macro, to the end of the file, run, and it got rid of all those blank lines for me. Having done that, I'm going to select all of this cleaned up text, Control-A, Control-C to copy it to my clipboard. In a new blank document in Microsoft Word, it's Control-V. Then I will clean up this by editing by delete space end, delete space end. And so I've gotten rid of all this extra space. Once that's finished, I'll have a document that looks like this. Now, using Windows Read Aloud, I'll play this and record just system audio with Camtasia Recorder to capture what's said here. We'll do that with Recorder, I will set it up for just system audio. Then with the cursor at the beginning of the section, I'll start the capture and then play with Read Aloud.
This capture of the Camtasia that's in this human narrated video clip.
Okay, I'm going to end this capture now. And I'm going to call it Read Aloud. And you'll save that. I don't need Recorder anymore. Go back to my project. And let's import that Read Aloud. So Control-I. There it is. Got it. Should be just the audio file. And I'm going to put the playhead at the beginning and stick that audio file on the timeline. You can see it's a lot shorter than the original project because I'm talking a lot faster. So first thing we're going to do is trim this up like this, bring it back so it's going to fit, get rid of the overhang here from delayed time it took me to end the capture. Now I'm going to go and select my original clip. And I want to make sure I put a split where I'm going to want to begin this process. So I'm going to put a split here where the new audio starts. And then with this clip selected, I'm going to use the X key to put clip speed on that. The reason being, let me pull this up a little bit. I'm going to open clip speed and drag it back so that the old video timing matches the new narration timing. Just to see how this works out, we'll collapse the tray. Let's silence the old audio. We'll do that by killing its gain. And now let's play through this and see how we sound.
This capture of the Camtasia 2025 editor user interface will be used to create and export directly to Screencast.com so that the resulting uploaded video will get auto-generated captions that will allow me to grab the transcript by copying it to my clipboard and then loading it into Notepad++, cleaning it up, and then using it to create a read aloud voiceover in Microsoft Word to substitute for the original narration that's in this human narrated video clip.
Okay, that came out real well. And that's how you can use the auto-generated captions off Screencast.com to grab the transcript and use that to create a read aloud voiceover for your Camtasia projects.